My name is Bill Hedrick. I'm an Assistant City Prosecutor and the Chief of Staff for Columbus City Attorney Richard C. Pfeiffer, Jr. There are currently thousands of outstanding warrants in Franklin County. This program, which is being sponsored by the Columbus City Attorney's Office, is our attempt to address this issue. There are a variety of ways in which individuals face arrest warrants. A warrant has been issued by the police and the person has avoided apprehension. An individual has been given a court date and fails to appear in court. An individual had an initial court date but then stopped coming to court. A person has been found guilty but they failed to pay their fines and court costs, or they failed to report to jail. Finally, a person who received probation as part of his or her sentence faces a probation revocation warrant if the terms and conditions of the warrant are not followed. The warrants highlighted in this program are misdemeanors because those are the crimes prosecuted by the Columbus City Attorney's Office. The Columbus City Attorney's Office does not handle felony cases. If you're an individual facing an outstanding warrant, how can this affect your life? 1. You always have to be looking over your shoulder, fearful of arrest at any time or anywhere. 2. A warrant block is placed on your driver's license. You will not be able to renew your driver's license, nor will you be able to obtain a vehicle registration. 3. An outstanding warrant will show up on a background check if you're applying for a job and/or government benefits. More information and a listing of outstanding warrants can be found at the City Attorney's website, columbuscityattorney.org. This program and the lists are updated on a monthly basis. If you have any information on any of the individuals listed in this program, please feel free to contact me, Assistant City Prosecutor Bill Hedrick, at 614-645-8874, or email me at brhedrick@columbus.gov. There are no rewards offered for this program. Today on Fugitive Files, we're targeting the high five. These are 5 individuals who have arrest warrants for failure to appear in court after being charged with driving under the influence with a high breathalyzer test. According to a recent report from the U.S. Centers for Disease Control, binge drinking is a big problem. 1 in 6 adults binge drink at least 4 times a month and average at least 8 drinks per binge. The CDC estimates that excessive drinking causes 80,000 deaths in the U.S. each year and costs the economy nearly $224 billion due to health care expenses, crime, and lost productivity. The personal toll binge drinking takes on individuals and its impact on society can't be understated. That's why it's important for us to raise awareness about this problem and to ask you, the public, to help bring these alleged drunk drivers to justice. Eric Jude. Mr. Jude failed to appear in court for OVI charges after a high breathalyzer test of .271. He was also charged with driving without a license, driving without insurance, and failure to control. His laundry list of past criminal charges include 3 prior OVI offenses, hit skip, assault, disorderly conduct, criminal mischief, drug paraphernalia, aggravated menacing, fleeing, endangering children, cocaine possession, and resisting arrest. William Rollins. Mr. Rollins was charged with OVI after being pulled over for weaving in and out of his lane, and he tested .309 on the breathalyzer test. Stephen L. Smith. Mr. Smith is wanted for failure to appear in court after being charged with OVI with a breathalyzer test .257 and was also charged with driving under suspension. He's been previously convicted of OVI in 2012, and his past criminal record includes charges of theft, obstructing official business, and reckless operation of a motor vehicle. Antonio Welch. Mr. Welch has 2 arrest warrants and 6 charges against him after he failed to appear in court to answer charges to a high breathalyzer test of .187. He's charged with OVI, driving under suspension, no driver's license, open container, and driving the wrong way. His past criminal history includes an OVI conviction in 2012, as well as charges of theft, obstructing official business, and domestic violence. If you are one of the individuals listed in this program, you are encouraged to turn yourself in or to seek legal counsel to address your warrant. The Columbus Bar Association's lawyer referral number can be reached at 614-221-0000. 614-786-0754. And the Franklin County Public Defender's Office can be reached at 614-525-3194. If you have any information on any of the individuals listed in this program, please feel free to contact me, Assistant City Prosecutor Bill Hedrick, at 614-645-8874, or email me at brhedrick@columbus.gov. There are no rewards offered for this program. Each month, Fugitive Files will highlight warrants for crimes prosecuted by the Columbus City Attorney's Office. Citizens' assistance and input is what makes this program successful.